Hello guys, Flash here for another video. Today we're going to discuss about milk and butter tokens. This is something new. This is a website with two different tokens, so this is very interesting. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so moving on to the website. Welcome to the home of milk and butter tokens, a gamified charitable giving with DeFi tokens. They've already donated over $25,000 to charity. Okay, so let's look at the milk token tokenomics. So it's a binary distribution and auto liquidity token. 2% redistributed to all holders and 4% going back to the liquidity pool. You can buy it on Pancake swap. Also, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice for anything. Everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only. And now let's take a look at the butter token. So the butter token is a charity burn staking rewards token with a 5% charity of transaction using the butter token collected by the butter token contract and sold into BNB that is reserved to be collected by the charity wallet, 2% liquidity pool, 2% staking rewards, and 1% expenses fee of butter transaction are sold into BNB and served into the contract collected by the expenses account for use in marketing, promotion, business expenses related to milk and butter tokens. We can see here the milk and butter team. Here is Christian Claypool, Spencer Keller, Michael Hanna, and Spencer Hayord. They also have their charity wallet on the website, so you can check all the transactions they have made from that wallet. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 2,300 members, as well as following them on Twitter, where they post every update and everything that is going on with the token. Moving on to the Pancake swap, you can buy milk with 8% slippage tolerance. All you guys need is BNB on your MetaMask or Trust wallet. After that, as I said, don't forget to put a slippage on 8%. Put in the amount you want to buy and just click on swap, as well as the butter token. But here the difference is you have to put the slippage on 12%, and this is the exact same procedure. Let's take a look at the BSC scan. So milk token has almost 10,000 holders at the moment of recording, and butter has 1,700 holders. You can also vote on which charity to donate next. Overall, this website and these tokens are something unique I haven't seen before, and I highly suggest you guys going and checking them out. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Flash out.